Kamusta guys? Meron na naman pinakabagong cover song ang paboritong banda ng bayan. Walang iba kundi ang Franz Rhythm guys. Ito yung kanta ng Oasis. Ayan, sa mga batang 90s, malamang ko alam nyo to. 1997 sumikat tong kanta na to na Stand By Me. Ayan, ano to? High school days. Di ba? Madalas patugtugin to sa mga radio station, pati sa mga pampublikong mga sasakyan kagaya ng jeep, taxi yan. Maririnig mo madalas tong kanta ng Oasis, Stand By Me. At yung mga iba pa nilang kanta na kanilang pinasikat. And excited na ako guys na mag-react dito. Samahan nyo ako. Astig no? Tapang ng tunog ng distortion ni Master Chief. Cover. Okay, ba kulay ng book ni ngayon ni Char, Violet.
Made a meal and threw it up on Sunday. I got a lot of things to learn.
Napaka-nostalgic no nitong kanta na to. Talaga maalala mo yung mga panahon na sikat tong kanta na to.
Okay.
Ang ganda rin ng boses ni Tatay Franz. Bagay sa kanya tong kanta ng Oasis.
Said I would and I'll be living one day before my heart starts to burn.
Siguro kapanahunan din ni Tatay Franz to nung kasikatan ng Oasis. Baka isa to sa mga tinutugtog nila no nung nagbabanda pa sila nung kabataan niya.
What's the matter with you? Sing me something new. Don't you know the cold and rain don't know. They only seem to come and go away.
Ang linis ng tunog nila dito si Prado nila bawat nota. Pati yung hampas ng drums ni Dudes, grabe, napakalinis.
Times are hard when things have got no meaning. I wanna keep on the floor. Maybe you and I will not be.
Yung bandang Oasis parang may hawig siya kay kay John Lennon. Parang Beatles yung style nila, yung outfit nila, yung pormahan nila. Tapos yung salamin, madalas yun suot nila yung salamin na bilog. Parang John Lennon.
The things we find behind the door. So what's the matter with you?
Plakado rin ni Tatay Franz yung boses. Kuwang-kuha niya yung boses.
Sing me something new.
Yung timbre, no?
Don't you know the cold and rain don't know. They only seem to come and go
Salud.
away.
Galing. Yun, no? Plakado rin ni Chen yun. Yung sa may adlib.
Stand by me. Nobody knows the way it's gonna be.
May bagsakan pala yun.
Stand by me. Nobody knows the way it's gonna be. Stand by me.
Sana mag-cover pa sila ng mga kanta ng Oasis, no? Maraming kanta Oasis Yung mga paborito nyong kanta guys, i-comment nyo. Kung nakasubaybay kayo dito sa Oasis ng mga panahong 90s, kasikatan nila.
Nobody knows the way it's gonna be.
Ano yung mga paborito nyong kanta ng Oasis? Ayan, i-comment nyo lang.
Stand by me. Nobody knows.
Di ba sa kanila rin yung Champagne Supernova na kanta? Eh, madalas ko rin naririnig yun nun eh.
It's gonna be. If you're leaving, will you take me with you? I'm tired of talking on my phone.
Yung Oasis parang tanda ko, parang ano lang sila, no? Parang tatlo lang sila. Isang gitarista, drummer, vocalist. Tama ba? Bassista.
There is one thing I can never give you. My heart will never be your home. So what's the matter with you? Sing me something new. Don't you know the golden wind
Astig din yung second voice ni Char dito.
rain? Don't know long seem to come and go away.
Parang may tunog keyboard ano, may tunog piano. Meron silang ginawang ano dito, editing.
Stand by me. Nobody knows.
O baka yung gitara ni Chen kasi minsan na nagtutunog ano yun eh, violin eh, 'di ba? Sa guitar effects meron ganun. Tunog violin.
It's gonna be. Stand by me. Nobody knows the way it's gonna
Mangawa yung gitara ni Chen.
be.
Makanta.
Stand by me. Nobody knows the way it's gonna be. Stand by me.
Ganado sa palo si Dudes, no? Yung mga bagsakan. Saktuhan eh.
Nobody knows. Nobody knows the way it's gonna be.
Parang meron na naman silang bagong akostiko. Matagal na ba to? Parang ngayon ko lang nakita. Yun o, yung nakasandal dun sa ano, paanan ni... Malapit sa paanan ni Char. Gandang acoustic guitar.
The way it's gonna be. Maybe
Parang Yamaha na gitara.
I can see. Don't you know the cold, the wind, the rain? Don't know. You always seem to come and go
Sarap pakinggan yung ano no, adlib ni Chen.
away.
Bending.
Stand by me. Nobody knows the way it's gonna be. Stand by me. Nobody
Itong kanta na to parang madali siyang maalala no. Madaling sabayan yung tono. Kaya sumikat din siguro to.
knows the way it's gonna be. Stand by me. Nobody knows the way it's gonna be.
Yung gitara ni Chen parang nagsa-second voice eh. Kumakanta.
Stand by me. Nobody knows. God only knows.
Sarap pakinggan yung mga bend ni Chen. Ang haba ng sustain.
Way it's gonna be.
Pinakawa eh. Ay, stick. O diba, live na live yung pagkaka-record nila nito. Wala nang take 2, take 3. Galing. Grabe. Ibang klase talagang paboritong banda ng bayan. O, di ba? Kaya kung gusto nyo papakinggan guys yung kanilang mga cover song at original song, ayan, mag-subscribe na kayo guys sa kanilang channel. Ayan, i-hit nyo na rin yung notification bell, yung all guys para ma-update kayo, ma-inform kayo pag may bago silang upload. At ganun din sa ating munting channel, mag-subscribe na kayo para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod nating content. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood.